Grabe sa laki at sa sosyal ang Hong Kong. May playground ang gate to. Tingnan nyo naman. May working station.
Tama na isa, wala namang bayad to eh.
New Year! Grabe yung pila, late kasi nag-open dito yung check-in counter. Anyway, for the requirements, of course, just show your passport. So Hong Kong is a visa-free country. So papunta dito, actually galing tayong Macau, wala naman tayong visa in-applyan. What's your favorite Hong Kong experience? Disneyland din ma? Favorite Hong Kong experience? Why Disneyland? Hello guys, kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kulipo Traveler. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Hong Kong. It's January 1, 2024, the first day of the year. At pauwi na po tayo ng Pilipinas. Okay, so ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa bus. City Flyer na bus na nasakyan natin from Tsim Sha Tsui area. Okay, papuntang Airport Hong Kong Terminal 1. Hong Kong Airport Terminal 1. Nag-bus lang tayo para convenient. So, samahan niyo ako experience yung process from Hong Kong to Manila. Okay, so mga 1 hour din na travel from Tsim Sha Tsui. Kowloon area yun. Doon yun sa center ng Hong Kong, papuntang airport. Pwede nyo i-check yung hotel where we stayed kasi yung bus stop nitong airport bus ay dapat lang talaga ng accommodation yung and I think pwede rin kayo train. Medyo sabaw pa ako kasi nag-New Year tayo paggabi, diba? In Hong Kong Disneyland. So gabi naman tayo nakawin. madaling araw. Guys, kung kayo mag-go Hong Kong or Macau, you can book the different activities na binook namin sa Klook, pati yung eSIM na binook ko, okay siya. And then yung Disneyland, din yan, you can book via Klook. Tapos yung Disneyland meals, marami pang iba. Yung hotel namin, comment ko din sa baba. Lapit na tayo sa airport, Terminal 1. Oh, ayun. Ayun na. Ito yung bus. May mga taxi din. So for sure, mahal ang taxi. And this is the experience sa bus na may second floor. Double-decker bus. Merong CCTV para kita natin yung maleta natin. Amazing experience here in Hong Kong. Thank you, Kuya. Okay na. Let's go. Airport Terminal 1 na tayo. Alright. For the Tulak experience. Wow. Ang ganda nga ng airport, ang luwag. My goodness. Yan yung mga flight. And then, papunta na tayo sa check-in counter natin. Let's go. May Hong Kong Disneyland din dito sa airport. Pero souvenir shop. At nagutom tayo, guys. Buti bumili tayo ng cookies kanina. Okay, guys. So, reminder, yung mga electronics like power bank, hindi nyo dapat yung chine-check-in. Dapat naka-hand carry yan. O yung may mga batteries. Kaya kami nagkalugog kami dito. Kaysa sa maharang kami mamaya sa immigration because it happened before. So, okay na. Make sure lang na walang electronics sa check-in baggage. Lahat naka-hand carry ng electronics. Magpo-4 na, 7:15 ang flight. And you have to be at the airport like 4 hours before. Para hindi tayo
4 hours before, para hindi hassle.
Pero 3 hours before yung mag-open yung check-in counter. But we already checked in on it.
Tama na isa, wala namang bayad to eh.
New Year! Na-starstruck si mother. My goodness, it's 5 PM. Our boarding is around 6:30, 6:45. Pero grabe yung pila. Late kasi nag-open dito yung check-in counter. Anyway, for the requirements, of course, just show your passport. So Hong Kong is a visa-free country. So papunta dito, actually galing tayong Macau, wala naman tayong visa in-applyan. Pero, ayun, pabalik ng Pilipinas, hindi nyo na kailangan ng vaccination card or hindi na required mag-mask. Bye-bye po. Hindi na kailangan mag-mask, hindi na kailangan ng proof of vaccination or booster kasi na-lift na rin naman yung yung COVID sa pagiging pandemic. Okay? Ayan, dito na tayo. Finally, after how many hours of pagpila?
After 2 hours.
2 hours of pagpila, dito na tayo.
Because they
So,
did
your
not...
passport lang, ticket, and then e-travel.
Unahan niya itong
Meron
iyong
na
bag
kita
siguro.
mag-e-travel. Pila na tayo sa immigration, guys. In more than 1 hour, less than 2 hours, boarding na natin dito. I think pinipicturean yung self. Kailangan ng photo natin. Then kinukuha yung passport and boarding pass dito sa immigration. Ganda ng araw. Golden hour na. Tas itong nasa harap ko mukhang future ko to. Make sure guys to remove your belt, your watch, yung mga dalo ninyo para hindi kayo magtunog doon sa may scanner. So may another layer pa of, I think ito na mismong immigration. Ayun guys, after ng bag scan, di ba kaya nag-picture tayo sa entrance ng immigration and bag scan, may another immigration pa. I think yun na talaga immigration, yung passport natin tapos boarding pass. So nakadalawang check with camera sa atin. Ganda talaga ng airport ng Hong Kong. High ceiling, maaliwalas, ano ma?
Nakaturog na rin ang iya.
May water refilling station here. And some souvenirs. Ayan. May playground ang gate to. Nice. Grabe sa laki at sa sosyal ang Hong Kong. Ha?
6:30 yung boarding.
Bye girl. Kabahan ka na. So buti na una tayo. Kung Cebu Pacific yung flight nyo guys, I think most likely ititrain nyo pa papunta sa gate ninyo. Pero may directions naman kung paano pumunta sa gate. Nakaupo. Anong malay sa Pilipinas ma? Kapoy?
Kapoy pala. It's really good to be early.
Kung ikaw lang ako sa makakabalo ka.
How did you keep asking?
Amo mala, no? Tanong-tanong lang. Aesthetic ang airport? Wala kang masabi.
Wala akong masabi. Ano ulit pangalan mo?
Joke. Ang liit. DZR Airport pa rin.
DZR Airport.
Ng Tacloban. Grabe talagang Hong Kong Airport. Tingnan nyo naman. May working station. Grabe. Ganda. Of all the Hong Kong experiences, what's your most favorite one? Ano yun, couple interview? Couple interview. Of all, sige kuya, ikaw. Siksikan sa train? O siksikan sa Hong Kong Disneyland? Seryoso, yun yung tumatak sa'yo. Yung siksikan talaga nung palabas. Yan yung highlight. Ay, seryoso?
Pero hindi ka hand moment.
Momentus.
Parang
Lenny Rally. Mother, look. What's your favorite Hong Kong experience? Disneyland? Disneyland din ma? Favorite Hong Kong experience? Why Disneyland? Which part of the Disneyland? Eating.
Book.
Wondrous Book. Okay. The shows. Medyo delayed ang flight. Ito na. Ang ganda talaga ng airport guys ng Hong Kong. Like I can just, stay here and work from home. May mga working stations sila. Ay, kailangan ng photo. First time kong ganito. Parang pangatlong photo taking na to.
Please and the bends near
Hello,
the
Manila.
exits. We seek your cooperation.
Welcome to Manila. Happy New Year! Oh, uwi na ma. So that was a really smooth job. Natulog lang talaga ako the whole flight. Ano ma? The pressure. So how was your Hong Kong trip?
It was a successful one.
A successful one.
Successful one.
How do you feel? It's
Fantastic.
enjoyable. Fantastic.
And challenging.
Challenging.
Challenging to fall in line, to walk.
All in line and walk through. But it was amazing overall.
Yeah.
For your first time in abroad.
That's right.
Alright, so dito sa immigration ay may e-gates. Follow nyo lang yung instructions dyan. Like scan muna yung passport, tapos boarding pass, and then fingerprint, then picture, then kunin yung sticker, and idikit between pages 6 to 42. Alright, let's go. Got our bags. Dami guys pila kanina sa immigration, like mahaba. Kasi uwian na ng mga tao because the holidays is over. Although January 1 pa rin ngayon. Ang cute naman ni Kuya. Although January 1 pa rin ngayon, pero may pasok na tomorrow. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa labas, arrival exit. At naghihintay na lang tayo ng masasakyan pa uwi. So overall, it was a smooth process. Although na-delay yung flight. Late na rin kasi nagbukas yung check-in counter kanina sa Hong Kong. Pero ano lang, kailangan nyo lang yung passport, e-travel, boarding pass, or flight ticket para makauwi ng Pilipinas. Okay, hindi na kailangan ng vaccination card, booster, proof of booster, or proof of vaccination. And then, yun, nakauwi na kayo sa Pilipinas ng matiwasay. So I hope guys you also enjoyed your holidays. Ngayon ay January 1, tomorrow may pasok na naman. Kaya ang daming tao ngayon sa airport, ang hirap pag-antay ng ng sasakyan. And sana more travels to us, makabalik tayo ng Disneyland kung hindi Hong Kong, Tokyo, ganyan, or Paris, or sa US. Guys, kung kayo mag-go Hong Kong or Macau, you can book the different activities na binook namin sa Klook, pati yung eSIM na binook ko, okay siya. And then yung Disneyland, ganyan, you can book via Klook. Tapos yung Disneyland meals, marami pang iba. Yung hotel namin, comment ko din sa baba. Okay? Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next videos. Guys, let's live our best life. Bye-bye!